Started. What's up, guys? I'll lead us this time.
Welcome, Day 51.
5-1, dude. Area 51.
We're getting so close to the end
I know,
here.
dude. So this is Trevor and Brett. We've been working on Eat the Elephant, which is a nice app for iPhones that allows you to create a goal, set some milestones and tasks, and helps you accomplish that goal through the medium of letting you block apps on your phone. So this is the first screen of the onboarding, where you stop doom scrolling, and that's like kind of the biggest thing. So we have been working on this app for a couple months. We're just about ready to release it to the App Store. I think the plan is to do it early next week, pending a few things. But yeah, I think we're just going to clean up a little bit of the code today, finish up. Yeah. Maybe I'll start. I'll talk about like what I've been up to today. I did work on this a little bit. We went to Santa Cruz, and it's like an hour drive, so there and back. I was working on the app as my wife was driving, because she gets car sick if she isn't driving.
Oh, nice. That's a good gig.
Yeah. So one of the main things I did was help with. Let's see. So once you accomplish a goal, so this is what happens. Okay, so we're in a goal. Right, once you add like a milestone, like M1, when you accomplish that, it then pops up this screen. It says, "Congrats, you ate the elephant. What's next?" You can add a task now.
Oh, look at that, dude.
So yeah, pops up just like this. I don't know.
That's fine. That's great.
Yeah. On iOS 26, it kind of looks cooler.
You gotta we gotta change the text to mono, but that's it.
Oh, true.
Okay, so I added one.
You added one. Now, if you complete this one, it goes back.
Dude, let's go.
Yeah. And then you can like go and do stuff and then cancel.
Infinitely.
But then new goal, all I did was just use the same screen for new goal.
Love it.
So test 2 is the new goal. Boom. So now you're in test 2. So now if you close the app, reopen it, you got test 2.
What happens to, I don't think we need to do anything with it, but what happens to test 1?
It's still saved in the database. It's marked as done. Okay. And so the way I set it up is content view. The way I set it up is this query was looking for all root tasks that were not done. I changed it so it grabs all root tasks. Pretty much any goal that is done or is not done. So I grab it. I sort them by the finish date.
Wow.
So and then I have a couple helper variables. First unfinished goal is looking at all those goals. The first one where it's not done.
Okay.
That's like what we want to show. That's like the main task goal thing. Last goal I need to. Oh, okay. So we need this last goal. If you finished all your goals, like if you don't have an unfinished goal, then we use this one in that screen, the completed one. So this is where you could add a new task to this last goal.
So smart. Okay, love that.
And then, so basically, and then the way this works, I had this authentication view builder. It was just going between onboarding and the task screen.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's going between the task screen if you have a task. If you have a first unfinished goal, then it goes to the task screen. If not, it does another authentication view builder, and it checks. Do you have a last? Like, do you have a finished goal? And if that's the case, it shows that completed goal view. But if you don't, it shows the onboarding view. So I think it's got all our cases lined up, which helps. And then that way, as you finish as you finish tasks, like as you finish a goal, it does the animation in.
I love it.
Maybe we could change that transition if we wanted to. Like,
I don't think so. I think
okay.
it's great.
Looks good.
Do we have a button to just start a new goal? We could probably add one to settings.
Oh, just let's design out some stuff, because at that point it's like, oh, I could start a new goal. Do I lose all my? It's like I give up on the previous goal.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, let's wait on that.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the only thing we need to do is set that cancel, add new, that to monospace.
Yeah, let's do it right now.
I think that's all it needs, and then really it's ready to go. Let me look at our list we made the other day.
And then apart from that, I've kind of just been going through and cleaning up the code. I'm just going through and like removing any code that we're actually like not using.
Sweet.
So like one thing is we were thinking about doing the notification pop up, but we're just not anymore. Right. So like if we wanted to add it back, it's in the repository. Like we can look through old code if needed. So I'm just trying to like make sure it's clean right now.
Okay, actually, our list that we made on day 49, so 2 days ago, we've almost checked off everything.
That's so fun, dude. Okay.
Yeah, so maybe on Monday, because we pretty much have got everything done, like for what the app needs to function. So if we want Monday, we could work on shaders.
Oh, that'd be so fun.
But I'm looking into one more bug that we might need to fix.
Okay.
Which is the one, if I skip tasks, we need it to reset to the top of the list and go back down again.
Yeah.
I don't know what it's going to do, though. So I'm curious what it does. Does it just do nothing?
Yeah. Let's check that out.
I'm loading it up right now, so I can check it out. You can keep going.
Yeah, I'm just like cleaning up. Like we were saving stuff to the app group storage that we actually don't use anymore. So I'm just like removing old stuff.
Yeah, once my super fast computer loads the simulator, I feel like it is the icons. Like I feel like we need to set up something that like doesn't load the icons in for test for dev.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because they really slow it down a lot. Because yeah, it's still just building. Like we said, whatever building is, we don't know.
Lost you
Sorry,
there, dude.
I keep checking the temperature on the computer, and the leave button is right there.
Yeah, that's funny.
Sorry.
That's funny.
Yeah, we're still building. It's still indexing for me.
Cool.
Okay, it loaded. So I'll go test this and see. Oh, it looks like our skip task, Trevor, just moves between one parent. So it does cycle between them, but it doesn't cycle to a different parent.
Yeah, is it that same thing that we saw the other day?
No. The way I was thinking it would work is it would be like leaf, 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 and then I skip those three. So it's like, oh, okay, you don't want to work on that milestone. I'm going to go to a totally different milestone and work through those leaves. Do you think that's a difficult thing or a not difficult thing?
Wait, okay, show me on my simulator.
Okay, so add a task, add M1. Oh, there we go.
No.
Yeah, so add M1 and M2. And then add an M2. And now within those, add M1.1. And then add M2.1. Okay, now start focus mode. Okay, so I'm on M1.1. If you click skip task, it should go to M2. M2.1.
Okay. Yeah,
and then just cycle through. That's probably one of the last. That is like the last thing on our list.
Okay, so the done does. So if I
we can do the other stuff when we do shaders.
So look, when I hit done, it does go to 2.1.
It does, yes.
But if I hit skip, it doesn't. So what's the difference?
So it should skip and go to the next one. And it might just be simple. We might just have never touched it.
Okay. So that's in the We'll start it from root task. So it should move to next task.
Well, what is move to next task?
It sets the current focus task, which is like what. So right now, current focus task is 1.1.
1.1.
It sets it to its next not done leaf task,
which there isn't one.
Which it should be able to bubble up and go down.
Do we need to do that thing where it goes backwards to the parent? Remember we had to do that on what we did last night?
Yeah. So it's using the same function. What I'm worried about is maybe the idea is because we don't mark it as done, it thinks that it is known next time.
Like it's found it. It's like I found it. I found the next one.
Yeah. So I think here's the issue. Not really. So it has children. Like at first is the first thing to look through is the children, which it doesn't have any children. So it's empty. But then it does have a parent. It does have the current index, which is 0. The next index is 1. So it shouldn't have any siblings.
I feel like we need one more check that's like if we're at the last child of the parent, we need to change the parent.
Yeah. Like this needs to look at. It needs to also include its parent. I think we need to do something like tasks to look through plus equals parent. Something like this.
Okay, interesting.
First. Let's try that. I don't know if that'd work. All right. So then we have this big list, and we're looking at each one. We're trying to find the first not done leaf task. Anyways, okay. So we got M.1, M.2, and then this needs 1.1, and this needs 2.1.
Yeah.
Yeah, so skip should go to 2.1. Like
done works.
One way that we could do. No. Should we just restart on this function? Try to think through it again.
I'm pulling it up too to look through it. Maybe just run it through chat.
Yeah.
We did that last time.
Cut all the code.
Yeah, just if if all the tasks in parent get skipped over, we should move to the next parent and start working through that one. Let's see what it says.
I don't know if it actually changed anything.
It didn't.
No.
Well, if it's not an easy fix, we can keep it on the list for Monday.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Is there anything else we wanted to look at?
No, the only other thing is on our list is the shaders, and then adding haptics more places.
Oh, true. Yeah, also we need to use the user's preference because they could say that they don't use haptics.
Yeah, technically
it goes back down, so we do have terminal text after.
Oh, that's true. Yeah. Okay, yeah, let me add that. Haptics added, and then respect haptics setting.
Yeah. I'll tell you while this is loaded, let's see if the mono looks good. There's mono in there, but this new task is like the navigation title. I don't know if we
get rid of it.
Care. The only issue is like when you're typing, if it's not there, you don't really know if you're adding a task or adding a goal. Should this say like?
Can we add it to the box?
Just to above the insert?
Just above it. As like a little title. Sorry, we can't have mono everywhere but one spot.
Yeah, that's true.
That's weird that we can't change that text though.
Let me check if I can do that first.
I think the Pro Gold icon is going to be my main icon.
I love the emoji one, dude.
That's true. Well, I made it for you, so
thanks. Appreciate it. The only bad thing about us not tracking anything is like we won't know if people like use different icons or what they like, unless they toss. And I think that's probably the biggest thing.
Yeah.
You just need a presence.
Okay, I ran it through chat and it totally worked. So I don't know what you prompted, but
oh really? Wait.
Yeah.
Send me the code.
I've got like a whole. Well, I'm gonna do one more thing because it finished it, and when it got to the end, it just spit me out of focus mode. But I want it to wrap back around.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Here, send me your code so I can see, and maybe it's.
Okay, this is untested code. There you go. Okay, testing it out now. It does, if you're not changing the icons every time, it does build fast. But when you change the icons for the first time, it takes a minute.
Yeah.
Top 100 when we just drop like 60 icons is going to take like an hour.
Yeah, true.
Okay, that code I sent you totally works.
Nice.
If I hit done, still works. If I mark that done, oh, sick. Yep, this works awesome.
Yeah,
that is awesome. Yeah, so drop that in there.
Can we try it?
You need to remove the extension at the top, and then the other thing, I'm not exactly sure what the variable root is doing, but it works.
Yeah, so I added root up here to like our computed properties thing.
Oh, nice.
So yeah,
Oh, but the one chat gave was a little different than what I sent over.
Oh really?
Yeah.
So I didn't copy it.
It's a whilelet.
Interesting. I guess that can work. While.
That's why, I think that's why it just loops through is the while. But yeah, everything else I just dropped in there and it worked good. There might be like an edge case that it's missing, but I just went through and tested everything.
So first checks send into the node. while let P equals ANC dot parent, let A equals ANC. Let index equals P dot sorted children at first index A. As a Y.
Oh. Never mind.
Yeah, that's fine.
We're good. It works. I'm wondering what it does. Goal. If I accomplish the goal while in focus mode. Let's see. Oh,
Hopefully work.
It totally works, dude. It works awesome.
Right now, the ChatGPT code return like if the only one is self. Like in this case, M1.2 is the only leaf. If I hit skip, it just goes to the same one. I'm thinking we close focus mode if that's the case.
Sure, that's great. Yeah.
So I think all we need to do is return nil here instead of what I was doing.
Okay, yeah, test this and we can build it and push it.
Sick. Okay.
Does it still just check one time to make sure it still works if there's two.
Yeah.
Just double check it. Nice, dude. Smooth. Okay.
Nice.
Sort child task. Okay, so the only thing on Monday we can work on shaders. So if you want to brush up on how shaders work, essentially, I think all we want to happen is when you hit done, the shader just kind of like just bubbles the screen.
Yeah.
I don't know how else to explain that.
So when you mark done, where here?
Yeah, you start task. I mean, I also might be down to just have when you hit done, it starts the next task. So it's like to click start. I might add that to the list.
Okay. Yeah, I feel like we're just gonna play through this a whole bunch.
Yeah.
I don't know about you, but on yours, does the app icon image show up?
So this is, you're on iOS. I don't think it's there. That wasn't an icon available.
Can we do it different?
So
symbol?
No, I think it's fine. I don't think it's a big deal.
Yeah, I just at least so where this one is.
I mean, you could, yeah, you could drop in like app. Yeah, or app plus.
I do like the grid. We do this one.
Yeah, if you do it on just iOS 18.
Okay. Is it 18?
Well, I think 18 doesn't have it.
Okay, yeah. So everything below, but then if you have 18, then it does app.grid.
Might be 26.
Oh yeah, 20. Yeah. Wait. Oh.
I think it's a new icon.
Where? I might have the old SF symbols. Let me check. Anyways, I'm gonna like go through the whole app today, like tomorrow, and I'll write down if I have any other bugs as well.
Shared this note with you that we've been keeping track for the last couple of days, so if you want to add stuff, feel free to.
Cool.
It's interesting. It doesn't say what availability it has.
Yeah, I thought it would. That's why I couldn't do all this.
It's interesting. It doesn't say like 26 and above.
Right? It's kind of a big bummer.
Well, I mean, that's my guess. Maybe because it doesn't make sense. Well, I guess it does. They would have to and so unless they install it retroactively to 18, which they stopped doing that, so.
Oh, this is cool. One thing I don't like about SF symbols is like we just use it as strings. Like I have to like copy. Like it should be like a dot app grid.
Right. Or even the image. Like I should do dot SF symbol and it should bring and I click on it.
Oh yeah.
Do you know what I mean? It should just because they have SF symbols now and use FS symbols in the title of your Figma file.
Oh really? Do you know? Okay, one thing that you can do is interpolate like this. You can do stuff like this. So I just put in this image within a stream, and it should just it works. So yeah, like when I pop up the settings. This is one thing I noticed a few days ago. I meant to bring it up to you, but now, oh, maybe it doesn't. Never mind. Oh,
I don't know why those two aren't showing.
Did you put them in the assets?
They're showing for me. So.
Wait, really?
Yeah, literally.
Original emoji.
Oh wait,
these are capitalized.
That's all supposed to be lowercase. How come you didn't? Did you not pull?
I pulled.
Well, how come mine were lowercase?
Let's see. When did you update them? I'm up to date. Maybe it isn't stored in something.
Something. All right. Well, push it up, and this will be sweet. Yeah. I mean, the icon's not working for
18. Yeah, thanks
for us to mess with that. iOS 18 app grid icon fix for menu. Okay, I got it on there.
Okay. And then, dude, we could discuss this next week, but we should figure out how to get, because everything's stored in Swift data. It should be easy to put them onto iCloud, so we can make an Apple Watch app. Keep it super simple.
Yeah. Well, and widget. I mean, we could go crazy on widgets.
Yeah. Oh, widgets, dude. Yeah. Okay. That's fun.
Okay.
Cool. Yeah, I'll push this.
Okay. Thanks. All right. Thanks, everybody, for joining.